Hey guys, what is up? So it's been a ridiculously long time where I have not posted. I mean, just recently, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I did a video saying that I'm back on track and everything is great and I'm going to be posting consistently, frequently, but that didn't happen. That was my plan. I did film a couple videos, didn't get time to edit it and whatnot, so that's just in the backline for now. I wanted to do this video to tell you guys what has been going on and why I have not posted and all of these things. Just sitting down here is like a little bit different right now because it really has been a while with me with the camera here. Okay, so I wasn't really gonna do it like this. I was actually going to give you guys like more of a message because I have changed a lot and I've grown a lot from the things that have happened to me recently. Great thing, I am officially employed. I have a weekend job where I used to volunteer before, and that's at the Wildfall Trust, and I love my job. It is super amazing, so that's a great thing. That has taken up some of my time, of course, but on to some not so good things. After that, okay, so I just realized that I filmed my entire video for you guys and only the first part of it was recorded. Recently there was an incident where some individuals tried to harm my dad and almost totally destroyed my vehicle. They mashed up, like, well, besides the vehicle wasn't as important. Daddy, thank God, he didn't have to go to the hospital when you hear that. He is fine now, it's perfectly fine. So that is the great thing. With regard to the vehicle, they mashed up my front windscreen, back windscreen. I mean, they threw a car jack into the back windscreen. They could have totally damaged Daddy. Thank God, he is fine. And they pelted a brick at the driver's seat glass. So Daddy was right there, but he didn't get hurt from that, thank God. They pulled him out of the vehicle and all these things, but he got away. Thankfully, by the grace of God, we got to fix the vehicle 3 days after, because we need the vehicle. It's our only working vehicle. The things for that isn't settled though. It hasn't been settled yet. I'm yet to settle that, so that's like a whole other thing that I've been dealing with. So the next thing that happened, keeping in mind that this thing still hasn't been settled, is that just not too long ago I found out that my uncle passed away. It's my mommy's brother, and he didn't live so close to us, but we were very close, fairly close. So that was a little bit difficult to take. That was like a whole other emotional turmoil. But we've tried our best. I've tried my best as well to do as much as I could with regards to the funeral and whatnot. We still have a prayers coming up for him, and yeah, it's been a pretty tough piece of news to take. It's still hard. I mean, like, I'm pretty fine in front of people and with everybody around, and still when I'm with people, when I'm by myself, I still feel this huge empty piece of thing here, like there's a hole. And then sometimes I get like, you know, the feeling where you are hurt over something and then you get that feeling in the pit of your stomach, all of these things. So it's hard, and with that incident there's still a couple things that need to be rectified and whatnot, which is a different story. But I am trying, and I'm trying to be strong for my mommy and daddy. So that, I really just wanted to share this message with you guys to tell you what was going on, and in case any of you all are going through something like this or going through anything negative in your life, just know that God is always there. and just keep praying. I do that every single day. And whatever name you call God, just know that God is always there for you. And I mean, I keep telling you guys that it doesn't matter how hard you fall, but it's how fast you get up. And for this point in time, I have been down for a while. I mean, this is one of the longest times that I've been down for. I mean, like that depression state. I realized recently that it has been taking a toll on me physically, because I would get headaches, stomach aches, and all these things. But I'm trying to take care of that, because I don't want, you know, I just want to get back to my positivity. I know that time will heal everything. I have been allowing myself little boost to actually succumb to the feeling of mourning and grief, if that makes sense. But it is hard. I am my total upbeat, super positive self at the moment. So that's one of the reasons that I didn't want to post videos, because I didn't want to sit up in front of a camera and tell you guys that you should always be happy and always do these things, and I myself was not there and was not like happy with the things that was going on with me, because I just didn't want it to be fake or artificial. And I wanted to share what was going on with me, to tell you guys that I have not given up on you, and I will be posting again soon to show you that nobody's life is perfect. Not because I make videos for YouTube and I show you guys the perfect parts of my life where everything is super great. There's also a lot of bad things that go wrong. There's also a lot of negative things, but I think one of the most important things is not letting that negativity overwhelm you and totally succumb to it. And that's the message I want to give you guys today. And I want to tell you that I am sorry for not having been posting a lot, but I will soon as I can. I will try my best to do it, to give you guys better quality videos, better content. So thank you guys so much. I mean, it really is amazing to have you guys still subscribe to me, still view my videos, and stick with me even though I haven't been posting for a while. And I recently realized that even though I haven't been posting for a while, I've gotten a lot of new subscribers, and I love all my subscribers. To all of the old ones who have been there with me, thank you so much. And to all of the new ones who have recently met, hello. If you don't really know me, I'm Kavita, and I post a lot of motivational content, but sometimes things could go wrong in life, and this is what has been going on with me. Keep pushing, guys, and keep pushing. I mean, for this second half of the year, I've realized that I have been going through a lot of negative things and a lot of trials in my life, a lot of struggles. But right now I could feel that soon there's a huge light at the end of the tunnel, that everything is going to be great. I feel like if I'm going to start like a whole new life. It says that whatever goes around will come back around. So if you do good for people, people will be too good for you. It's just as simple as if you tell somebody good morning, they will tell you back good morning. To you, to all my subscribers and viewers, and new viewers and new subscribers, and anybody new who will be seeing this video new, thank you for taking the time to look at this video. Thank you for sticking with me. Welcome if you are new, and whatever negativity and struggles you are going through in your life, soon, very soon, everything is going to be great. And just keep praying. Things would be okay.